The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact a professional when it comes to your financial needs. We're going to check in and be consistent on our deposits on those 4 accounts that we deposited into 2 weeks ago. Going to add some to it. And we're going to do that right after we check in on the top 4 cryptocurrencies and their movements for the week of September 29th, right here, right now on the Ujamaa Network. Let's get into it. We're back on our Robinhood page, and we're just going to go ahead and buy another share of stock at $43. And I'm just going to put 35 cents in there just in case. Let's say 80 cents. Let's go ahead and get another share of that stock. Hit review order and buy. And now we are done. I'm going to just go ahead and wait till that updates. Actually, it's not going to update here. We're going to go and look at our investing bucks. And this is the number we want to see updated. And there it is. Now back on our Kraken website, we're looking at our bonded earn where we're staking Ethereum, as well as our auto earn where we're staking some Bitcoin. We're going to go ahead and buy another 25 bucks from our account, review it, say you understand, confirm, and we go ahead and view our transaction. And there it is there. Let's go ahead and check our earn. Now, I made a course correction midway through my transaction. Instead of going into bonded earn where I was losing a little bit more money than I was comfortable with, I just went ahead and did the allocation all to the auto earn feature that they have there on Kraken. That way, I'm keeping all of my eggs in one basket and allowing the market to borrow the crypto I'm having to make their transactions and getting a small return on that. It's a way to grow your investment slowly over time. And that's with everything that I just showed you here, whether it's buying some stock or just putting some money in your savings account. These things in these trying times are very difficult to do. There just isn't any spare change or extra money. But I'm showing you that anybody can do it. You just have to save more than you spend. One of the things that I've done is cut off some things like, hey, Disney is trying to go up on their prices again for their price package. Maybe it's time to get rid of it. Same thing with any other packages. Can I do without that Starbucks cup of coffee for a couple of days? Hey, that's a good $20 right there. So, hey, do what you got to do, make those cuts, and put it into your savings and have the discipline not to touch it and just see how much it grows. Now, this is only week 2, and I've already managed to put away $100. If you're doing the same thing, no matter what level of income you are in, it's just like muscle memory. You make it a habit. And as you start to bulk up, when you're lifting weights, Repetition causes some things to happen. Um, the tough part is when those challenges come up. Are you going to be tempted to touch that, or are you going to keep staying the course? Let me know how you're faring in the comments. I will talk to you very, very soon.